How to quick share a file from a Android 13 phone on Samsung to a Android 12 phone on another Samsung device. So the first thing you want to do is make sure on both of these Samsung phones, assuming that your friend also has a Samsung phone, you want to enable the quick share feature. Okay, so you'll look for quick share. So this one is here. You can long press it to go into the main settings of your quick share, and you'll also long press it for this one here to get into the main settings of your quick share feature. All right, so on both devices, to make this as flexible as possible, this is Android 13. You'll go to where it says who can share with you. And once you're here, if you want, just contacts only. If your friend also is part of your contacts, you'll go with contacts only, or just go with anyone nearby. This will be a lot more flexible for you. Once you've made that selection here, also do the same on this device here, anyone nearby, and of course, your settings will now be saved for you. Now, when we're ready to quick share here, assuming that you both have them enabled, just make sure that they're both turned on, okay? You'll see quick share, they're both turned on on both devices. So maybe I want to send over a picture from this phone here, the Android 13 Samsung phone. I'll go to gallery here and I want to share this file in particular, okay? So when we're here, we'll select the photo, we'll go to share. And when the share option appears here as a option, you'll see quick share or the nearest Samsung phone here. This may not be the best choice all the time because you might have multiple Samsung phones nearby, and if you tap on it not knowing the exact name of it, you'll send it to the wrong person. So go to quick share here. This will give you a better view of who you are actually about to share it with, okay? And it tells you here, share to nearby Galaxy devices. This one is an A52 model. You'll see A52 here, and you'll select it, and it'll say connecting, and you'll wait for it to show this here. You wanna go with accept, and it'll send over the file for you. Once you're done, you can press open, and it'll give you a preview of what your file looks like that you just sent. This works for songs, videos, and whatnot, and depending on how big the file is will determine how long it will take. Now, let's say you didn't get a chance to view it. You want to go to gallery, and automatically in your gallery app itself on your Samsung phone, it will create a folder called quick share. So if you go here now and you're the receiving end, you'll look for the albums section here, and you'll look for the quick share album here. This is where you would go to view all the received files from the quick share settings. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.